Hi, we'll be using Honeybee energy modeling tool to study the impact of the building's envelope into the overall energy usage throughout the year. This is the Ladybug tool Honeybee website. In here, you can go to see all kinds of different preset scripts that you can download and use it for analyzing various topics. For today, we'll be going in to use the energy balance visualization, and we'll be using one of these scripts for analyzing. I downloaded and did a slight modification to better fit into our situation. It takes the Rhino geometry and set the program which includes what kind of schedule information for MEP and usage of the building. It zones out different portion. For this case, it's just single zone parameter. And then I added different elements for the building blocks, which divides into a roof and wall and floor construction. It takes that information based on its preset U value, which you can choose from. You can input overall building mass into this portion. And what you have to do in order to create a window into your simplified building mass is to create a surface that is coplanar to the main building surface. And after making sure that its surface's direction is pointing outward, if it's inward, you can flip to make it outward. And select it and put it into this box as a multiple geometry. And then with this combination of these two input, it automatically figure out this is the window geometry, and the rest of the wall is opaque wall. Then I set up two different weather file, which you can simply connect based on where your site is. And finally, it is connected to the portion of Energy Plus tools. And here you can connect and choose whatever portion of the energy balance you want to see. For today, we are limiting our analysis to be analyzing surface energy flow to see how much of the conductance of the wall and ceiling and floor are impacting our overall energy flow. And then we want to simplify and look at the energy flow based on cooling and heating and total solar gain. And it is scripted to visualize the output. And once you are done with all of the setup, you can simply click this toggle to be true. And it automatically starts the simulation process. And Rhino is thinking to generate the graph on its plan view. The process is done. I can go to my preset view to see the result. This is showing the overall energy balance, meaning calculating how much energy is going out of the building and how much energy you want to uh, fill it back in to keep the constant temperature that is desirable for your comfort. In case of winter, a lot of opaque conductions happens due to the cold weather outside, and that is happening mainly through opaque wall, and small portion happens through the glazing conduction. In order to balance that, your building is working through a major portion of heating to fill it back in, and certain amount of solar heat gain is happening, and it is doing some portion of work that the heating have to do. In summer, you can see that it's being reversed. The solar heat gain is the main portion that is taking heat inside, and in order to balance that, your building has to turn on the cooling to keep the temperature to a comfort level.